Good morning! Welcome to my YouTube channel again. Ang topic natin ngayon ay ang continuation ng part 1 which is dividing of fraction. Lagi nating tatandaan ang division of fraction. We have to remember the following. The first part is to keep the first fraction. Then change the division sign to multiplication sign. Then we have to flip the second fraction or get the reciprocal. Next example is mixed number by simple fraction. Okay, so we have here mixed number and fraction. Okay, so ano ang gagawin natin dito? Hindi muna natin ito siya pwedeng diretso na tayo agad sa division of fraction because meron tayo dito mixed number. So ang gagawin natin dito, i-convert muna natin yung mixed number to improper fraction. How? Okay, so napag-aralan na natin ito in our previous topic. So we have to multiply whole number by the denominator. Okay, so we have 3 times 3. Then add the numerator. Copy the denominator. Okay, so we have 3 times 3, 9 plus 1. Okay, we have 10 over 3. Okay, so dito, yan. Okay, yun yung value ng 3 and 1/3. Okay, so ito na yung gagamitin natin dito sa ating susunod na solution. Okay, so let's take 10 over 3. Then, change the division sign to multiplication sign. Then flip the second fraction or the reciprocal of 2/5 5/2. Okay. Apply cancellation method. 10 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay, so we have 5 times 5 over 3 times 1. We have 25 over 3. Okay, so we need to simplify our answer. Okay, so let us divide 25 divided by 3. Okay, 2 divided by 3, hindi natin pwede. So let's take 2 digits. So how many 3's are there in 25? We have 8. So 8 times 3 is 24. Okay, minus 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 2, 0. Okay, our answer now is 8 and 1/3. Okay, this is now our final answer. 8 and 1/3. Okay, example number 2. Vice versa, kanina ng example number 1. Fraction by mixed number. Okay, our example here is 1/4 divided by 2 and 1/6. Okay, we have to keep the first fraction. Okay, then change mixed number to improper fraction. We have how? Okay, 2 times 6 is 12. Okay, 12 plus 1 equals 13. Okay, over 6. Okay, so we have here 13, yung second fraction natin, 13 over 6. Now, we have 1/4, write natin, then change division sign to multiplication sign, times, get the reciprocal of 13 over 6, or we have to flip the second fraction. We have now 6 over 13. Next, okay, pwede tayo mag-cancel dito. We have 4 and 6 divided by 2. Okay, 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, so our numerator is 1 times 3. Ito yung natirang number natin sa numerator. Then 2 times 13 sa ating denominator. Okay, now we have 3 over 13 times 2. We have 13 times 2, 6, 20, 6 over 26. Okay, so our answer is 3 over 26. Okay, our third example is mixed number by mixed number. How to divide mixed fraction with mixed number. Okay, so we have here 2 and 1/2 divided by 1 and 1/3. Okay, so we have first to convert mixed number to improper fraction. We have 2 times 2 plus 1. Okay, copy the denominator. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1. A 5 over 2. Next, we have 1 times 3 plus 1. Okay, over 3. 1 times 3 is 3 plus 1. Copy the denominator. 3 plus 1, 4. Copy the denominator. So our first fraction is 5/2. Then, first fraction is 5/2. Second fraction. Okay. So, simulan na natin to divide on how to divide mixed number with mixed number. Okay. So, what is our first fraction? We already converted to improper fraction. So, our first fraction is 5/2 divided by second fraction 4/3. Okay, so we will have to rewrite. Okay, keep the first fraction 5/2. Change to multiplication sign. Then flip the second fraction 3/4. Now, let us see kung meron tayong pwedeng i-cancel dito. So, as you can see, wala. So, proceed tayo sa multiplication natin. So, 5 times 3, we have 15. 2 times 4 is 8. Then, our answer is 15 over 8, which is an improper fraction. Okay, so ilang 8 meron sa 15? We have 1. Ilan ang natira sa 15? 15 minus 8 is 7. Just copy the denominator. So, our answer now is 1 and 7/8. Example number 4 is fraction with whole number. Okay, paano ba natin i-divide ang being a whole number in fraction? Okay, for example, we have 4 divided by 2/3. Okay, now, ang ating whole number na 4 ay isusulat natin into fraction. Idadagdagan lang natin siya ng 1 as the denominator. Because 4 over 1 is equals to 4. Okay, so, kapag whole number class, ang i-divide natin sa fraction, okay, we will just add 1 as the denominator. Okay, so here, we have to rewrite 2/3. Then, proceed to our first step. We have to keep the first fraction, change the division sign to multiplication sign, then flip the second fraction. We have 3/2. Okay? So, 4 and 2 ay pwede natin i-cancel because they have common factor which is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, so no more number that we can cancel. So, proceed tayo dito sa ating multiplication of numerators. We have 2 times 3, 1 times 1. Then get the product of numerator. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1 or 6. Our answer is example number 5. Kabaliktaran ng ginawa natin kaya sa example number 4. Okay, dividing whole number with fraction. Okay, so we have here 1/2 divided by 3. Okay, so let's rewrite. First, we have to keep our first fraction divided by, okay, we will write 3 as a fraction. Okay, so we will use 1 as a denominator. So yung 3 natin is 3/1. Okay, next is write the first fraction, change the division sign to multiplication sign, then flip the second fraction, or get the reciprocal of 3/1 equals 1/3. Okay, here we have 1 times 1, 2 times 3 equals 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 3 is 6. So our answer here is 1, 6. Thank you again for watching. Be sure to leave a like and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.